unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To clean your space heater filter, first unplug the heater and let it cool down. Locate the filter, usually at the back or bottom, and remove it. If it's a washable filter, rinse it under warm water with mild soap, then let it air dry completely. For replaceable filters, check the model for proper specifications and replace accordingly. Reinstall the filter and ensure it's securely in place before using the heater again.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.